Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Remedy for Pre-Cleansing. This product retails for $18. I am very excited by this new cleansing balm from Remedy Skin. They've taken, first of all, my favorite kind of packaging with cleansing balms, which is the twist-off grinding packaging. First saw this with the Dr. Althea cleansing balm, and I was a huge fan of that delivery because it does make a huge difference. Second of all, the ingredient list is very standard, simple, and to the point. Utilizes some ingredients as well that I haven't seen in a lot of cleansing balms, such as green tea, turmeric, and centella. There are a lot of ingredients in here that look to work well for my skin. And the biggest thing that I'm excited for is I am someone with acne-prone skin. I've struggled with a lot of cleansing balms and oils breaking me out. Everyone's acne-prone skin is different, but knowing my own, this seems to have ingredients in it that work well. That is the first step though in seeing if a product will work for you. It comes down to a lot of factors like formulation, things that I'm only going to be able to see by using it, and I cannot wait to use this and see how it performs. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. Very glad they went for a fragrance-free cleansing balm. I expected it from Remedy, given their history with their lip balm and their other formulas. They utilize ceramide, sapphire lipids, centella, turmeric, and green tea in this formulation. I cannot wait to see how those ingredients perform for my skin. Check out the full ingredient list. You can click the link in the description to go to their website. Also left the full ingredient in the description as well. Big things we're going to be looking for include: how does this product cleanse? Does it leave a film on the skin? And how well does it emulsify? I also want to see if it breaks me out or causes any acne. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in. Also my first impression with this product. I cannot wait to try out this cleanser and see how it feels. I've already done a spot test of it. It feels really nice, and it comes out in this twist packaging, which I quite enjoy. Easy just to take some. What I like that they did with this oil cleanser is they didn't add fragrance, didn't add anything that I haven't liked in previous oil cleansers, and it melts into the skin. It is a really nice, lush balm. And the best part about it that I saw, look at how it emulsifies. It feels really lush, kind of unique to an oil cleanser. It doesn't feel like it's going to leave any film, yet it's very moisturizing at the same time, which I really enjoy. Very milky with the emulsification. I've seen that in a few oil cleansers. This is also pretty affordable on paper, which I'm excited for. I'm just wearing a light sunscreen right now. I'm not wearing anything crazy, so let's put this to the test. I love the convenience of this packaging. It's reminiscent of the Dr. Althea, fragrance-free, and I will be comparing it to some of my favorite cleansing oils and balms just to see how it performs in comparison. My biggest thing I'm going to be looking for with all cleansing balms and oils is if it works for my acne-prone skin. This looks to be on paper a very promising formula, because I like that they didn't include a lot of ingredients that I have known to set off my acne. I know ethylhexanoate is one of the most used ingredients in cleansing oils and balms, and it's been hit or miss for me with that ingredient. I am glad for those who are sensitive to it that it doesn't have it in there, because I feel like it could be more promising for acne. This feels really nice. It just melts into the skin. It feels like a very light cleansing balm, but on the flip side, we'll see how it emulsifies. I feel like I should explain more. When using an oil cleanser like this, it's good to emulsify it by adding water. It helps break down everything, and it's a requirement for the oil cleansing step. I feel like I always just assume that that's known, but that's why I always add water to my oil cleansers and cleansing balms like this. It feels really nice. Yeah, it's a light cleansing balm. So what I'm gonna be really looking for as well is wearing makeup with it. I just wear corrective makeup, like where my redness is really all that I do. But still, Let's see if it removes that whenever I do wear makeup. After rinsing off my face, it feels completely normal. Doesn't feel stripped at all, hydrated and nourished. Now, I usually go in with a water-based cleanser after. I usually don't dry off my face. There's no film to it. It just feels like my skin just feels normal. I'm liking it so far. I'm gonna continue using it, seeing what else I notice, and then I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. This cleansing balm encapsulates everything I look for in a first cleanse. The ingredients are simple yet stand out from a lot of other cleansing balms on the market. Comes in convenient packaging that twists and dispenses the product and has one of the best emulsifications that I've ever seen to a cleansing balm. This product is very budget friendly. It has just the amount of ingredients that it needs to be an effective cleansing balm. On top of that, I feel like it is a great affordable alternative to a lot of the other cleansing balms I have liked in the past. It did well to remove my light makeup, it did well to remove sunscreen, and it has been an effective cleansing balm throughout this trial that didn't leave any film or finish to the skin. It's an effective yet simple cleansing balm, and that's exactly what I look for when I'm going for skincare products like this. A cleanser does not need to be overcomplicated, and Remedy Skin has been doing skincare correct in terms of moisturizers, cleansers, and I'm glad that they finally have this first cleanse step. I feel like it has been much needed on the skincare market because I know of a lot of fragrance-free, simple and effective cleansing balms, but this is one of the most budget-friendly, especially with this convenient of packaging, and also worked amazing for my acne-prone skin. I cannot speak for everyone's acne because truthfully, everyone's acne is different. In terms of ingredients that I have seen in a lot of other cleansing balms, I appreciate that they chose to go for ingredients that, at least on paper, seem safer for acne-prone skin. Like I said, I can't speak for everybody's, but with me, this product worked amazing to cleanse the skin. It didn't break me out, didn't clog my pores, which is huge. Anytime an oil cleanser doesn't break me out, I add it to a very small list. I've been pretty lucky. A lot of them have worked for me, but I've gotten comments saying that some people have broken out from cleansing balms or oils that have personally worked for me, and that's truly just to speak to how everyone's acne-prone skin is different. I would recommend trying this as an option for a cleansing balm because I do feel like it could be a safer option for acne-prone skin. I love the blend of ingredients they used in here. I feel like it is best to highlight this product as a simple yet effective cleansing balm that's fragrance-free, removes makeup and sunscreen very well, and does everything a first cleanse needs to do, which is the perfect definition and encapsulates everything I look for in skincare products. This is going to be a product in my routine for a while, and I cannot imagine my routine without it at the moment. I've been loving using this. I feel like it is 100% worth it. Remedy Skin makes amazing formulas, especially with their complex treatments, but I genuinely appreciate their attention to simplicity with their cleansers, with their moisturizers, and I feel like this first cleanse works perfectly. The dream pairing for me right now, as the weather is colder, for cleansing at night is I go in with this product first, and then I go in with a Remedy for Rich Cream cleansing after, and that has been the perfect balanced routine. This cleansing balm didn't leave a film. It emulsified amazing, and is the perfect definition for everything I look for in a cleansing balm, so I would 100% recommend trying it. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. I will see you all in the next review.